Hi, in this video training, we will be looking at NumPy searching arrays. You can search an array for a certain value and return the indexes that get a match. To search an array, use the where method. Let's see an example where we are going to find the indexes where the value is 4. So let's create a project file and let's call it Python Numpy search arrays.py. Okay, and let's get started by creating the NumPy, importing the NumPy library, and then we create the array np.where using the list with 6 elements. Okay, so we are going to add 4 at 3 places. So we have 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. So we have a recurrence of digit 4 in our array. So let's use the where function to find the 4 digit in the array. Let's print the results as printx and go to the console, run the program Python Numpy search arrays. Okay, you see we have returned by an array, and it says it has returned the index number 3, 5 and 6. So the digit 4 is present at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 position. So that's how the where function works. Let me add a comment here. Where function using NumPy array finding an element. Okay, let me comment this. Okay, and let's get to the next step. Okay, so we can also find the indexes where the values are even. This is also a very simple example. Find indexes where values are even. It's also a simple example. Let's import NumPy as np. Let's create an array p.array, pass the list 6, 7, 8. Okay, and x equal np.where, and this time we are going to pass a criteria saying that return number that is divisible by 2. So we have the even numbers in the result as an array. So let's run the program. You see we have got 1, 3, 5 and 7. So 2, 4, 6 and 8 are divisible by 2, resulting in 0 remainder. So we have the even numbers. Similarly, you can create a program that returns the even numbers, the odd numbers in the array. So we just need to change array 2 to the modulus to 1. Save the file, run the program on the console. You see we have 0, 2, 4 and 6. So basically 1, 3, 5 and 7 are odd numbers. Okay, now let's look at a method called search sorted. This method performs a binary search in the array and returns the index where the specified value would be inserted to maintain the search order. The search sorted method is assumed to be used on sorted arrays. Okay, let's look at a simple example. So let's find the indexes where the value 7 should be inserted. So I'm going to create an array. Let's copy this, comment this out, and using search sorted function with numpy. Okay, let's copy this, and here we have, okay, let's go with the example. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, and we say np.search sorted, and we are going to pass the array and 7 as an argument, and let's see what we get back as a result. You see we got 1 as a result. This means that 7 can be inserted at index 1 because 7 comes after 6, and that is the search ordered array. So the program told us that you can insert 7 at position 1, so the array remains sorted. Okay, let's see, and you can also search from the right side. By default the leftmost index is returned, but we can give side equal right to return the rightmost index instead. Find the indexes where the value 7 should be inserted, starting from the right. So let's see an example. I'm going to use the same example, but this time we are going to search from the right side instead of the default left side. Copy this, and we can say search from right side, and this time I'm going to pass an extra argument to the search sorted function, that is side equals right. Save the file, go to the console, and this time you see we have got 2 instead of 1 because we are searching from right side. So we have 0, we have 1, and then we have 2. So this time the search was done from the right side instead of the left side. Okay, now let's look at next topic, that is multiple values. To search for more than one value, use an array with the specified values. Find the indexes where the values 2, 4, and 6 should be inserted. So let's look at this example. Going to use search sorted. Okay, just copy this program, and here we can say function with multiple values. Okay, so we have, let's say we have 1, 3, 5, and 7, and what we are looking to insert is 2, 4, 6. So we are going to pass 2, 4, 6 as an array to the search sorted function, and let's see the output. You see we got 1, 2, 3. The return value is an array 1, 2, 3 containing the 3 indexes where 2, 4, 6 would be inserted in the original way to maintain the order. So 2 should be inserted at index 1, 4 should be inserted at index 2, and 6 should be inserted at index 3. So that's how the search sorted function works with NumPy. I hope you have learned something about NumPy searching arrays in this video training. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with a new topic in Python NumPy.